Good morning all. I hope all are doing well. It's morning, peaceful and memorable morning for all. Today's my topic is 8 most important topic in grammar. That after that complete after that that is enough in grammar. After complete this topic you can 100% speak English. Okay, let's start. First, article, tense, preposition, conjunction, modal verb, direct indirect speech, active passive voice, and last one is subject verb arrangement. Today we will complete the article. One question, all of this all of you, how many letters in English? I hope all know 26 letters in English. Wait, second question is how many alphabet in English? Think. Okay, I will tell you. One alphabet in English. What is articles? Articles is a and the. This is article. I will complete a versus an. C is fill in the blanks teacher. You can fill this box. I see fill in the blanks dog. He has fill in the blanks orange. I took fill in the blanks hour. Many people make mistakes here because they focus on words later, not on sound. Articles are used according to the sound. Again, fulfill the fill in the blanks. First, I am told you C is blanks teacher. Teacher, T. A, this rice, this is right. A, after that I see fill in the blanks dog. A is the right answer because dog. D, pronunciation of D, dog. He last one is he has fill in the blanks orange. O, orange. This fill in the blanks is full of full and not A. Next video we will cover the use of the and the. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.